Good morning, namaste, welcome to the vlog at. So just woke up sometime back, it is 7:30 actually, and see how the weather is right now. It is actually drizzling outside, and my task is to go to a shop to get bread. Ira needs a bread for a breakfast for her to take, and she instructed me that. Let me push out and get it before it actually rains a lot. Made myself coffee ready and things like that. Oh god, please give me 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes, let me go and get it. Otherwise, nice spin. I just got a little bit wet. You can see a little bit drops here and there. Right now going to go inside and make some coffee and have some breakfast. Hope Hira is all fine and things like that. No trouble in the school and things like that. Let's go in. My mom woke up and she's gone to sleep. But the climate weather is such ridiculously bad that she's feeling sleepy. And let's have breakfast. One of the most healthiest and you remove fresh. We reached home sometime back and there was a bird over here right behind this. Can you see this branch right over there behind? And was screeching to the core like loud as there were pairs. I know there's a pair roaming around, and this tree has a lot of birds around it that I've seen. And I just made some noise. I just came out to record. I'm watching some movie called Equalizer 2, so I just thought of telling you something. Yes, Hira. What is that? Huh? Play with it. Yeah, you take, you play. Yeah. It's evening time, and I was watching Equalizer 3, and the climate is so bad. I guess it's going to rain or something that way. Ira had a nice power nap, whatever she got. Yes, you can do whatever you want. Papa is yet to come, and one movie is done. Another movie I'm watching is The Family Plan. These are all English movies that I see. Um, I'm making myself coffee. I'm cutting watermelon for Ira. That is what she wants. Let me just do it in a bit. Up watching two movies today. It was fun. Papa had come, finished his lunch, finished his dinner, thing like that. I'm coming up with a project called, what it is called? Flashback Friday. And you're going to see every Friday an old video where I used to vlog way before, like from today down the line, 5 years or 6 years down the line, what actually my vlogging was. Just a short clip that I want to show you on every Friday. Hope you guys see it. I'm still working on it. It is just every Friday thing, so it's just a small project that I'm working on. Ira and Arti both are sleeping on the other side. It's very late. I'm going to sleep. You guys have a nice day and good night and ciao ciao.